Welcome to Sweden, a land of breathtaking natural beauty, where vast forests, crystal-clear lakes, and dramatic northern landscapes create one of Europe's most remarkable environments. Stretching from the shores of the Baltic Sea to the Arctic regions of the far north, Sweden is a country shaped by nature. As our journey begins, we fly above endless forests that cover much of the land. Thousands of lakes shimmer beneath the sunlight, reflecting the sky like mirrors. Winding rivers flow through peaceful valleys, connecting mountains, forests, and coastal regions into one magnificent landscape. Sweden is often called the land of forests and lakes, and for good reason. Nearly 70% of the country is covered by woodland, while more than 100,000 lakes are scattered across the countryside. Together, they create a paradise for wildlife and outdoor adventure. The changing seasons transform the landscape throughout the year. Summer brings endless daylight and vibrant greenery, while winter covers the land in snow and ice. Each season reveals a different side of Sweden's beauty. This is a country where nature is not only admired, but respected and protected. Welcome to Sweden, a place where wilderness and tranquility exist in perfect harmony. Sweden's forests are among the most extensive and well-preserved in Europe. Covering nearly 70% of the country, these vast woodlands form the green heart of Sweden and provide a home for countless species of plants and animals. From the southern provinces to the remote northern wilderness, forests shape both the landscape and the national identity. As we travel deeper into these woodlands, towering pine and spruce trees stretch toward the sky, creating a peaceful world of green. Sunlight filters through the branches, illuminating moss-covered rocks and forest trails that wind through the wilderness. The air is fresh, clean, and filled with the sounds of nature. These forests are alive with activity. Birds sing from the treetops, squirrels move between branches, and larger animals roam quietly through the shadows. Every season brings new colors and moods. Summer fills the forest with vibrant life, while autumn transforms the landscape into a sea of gold, orange, and red. For generations, Sweden's forests have provided shelter, resources, and inspiration. Today, they remain a symbol of balance between people and nature, reminding us of the importance of protecting the natural world for future generations. Sweden's vast forests, mountains, and wetlands provide a sanctuary for some of Europe's most fascinating wildlife. In this northern land, animals have adapted to long winters, short summers, and some of the most pristine natural environments on the continent. One of the most iconic animals of Sweden is the moose. Often called the king of the forest, this impressive creature can be seen wandering through woodlands, feeding near lakes, and moving quietly through the wilderness. In the far north, reindeer travel across open landscapes, continuing a connection with nature that has existed for thousands of years. Predators also call Sweden home. Deep within remote forests, elusive lynxes move silently through the shadows, while brown bears roam vast territories in search of food. Above them, golden eagles soar high in the sky, using powerful winds to glide over mountains and valleys. The changing seasons shape the lives of these animals. During summer, the forests are full of activity, while winter brings snow-covered landscapes where survival becomes a daily challenge. Together, these remarkable creatures form an essential part of Sweden's natural heritage, creating a wilderness that remains both beautiful and untamed. Beyond Sweden's forests lies a landscape of rugged mountains, powerful rivers, and protected national parks. These wild regions showcase some of the country's most spectacular scenery and provide a refuge for both wildlife and people seeking a connection with nature. In the far north, the Scandinavian Mountains rise above the horizon, creating dramatic peaks, deep valleys, and breathtaking vistas. During summer, snow slowly melts from the higher elevations, feeding rivers that flow through the wilderness. These waterways carve their way across the land, shaping valleys and supporting life along their banks. Sweden is also home to numerous national parks that preserve some of Europe's most pristine natural environments. Here, ancient forests, crystal-clear lakes, and untouched landscapes remain protected for future generations. Visitors can hike through remote trails, paddle across quiet waters, and experience nature in its purest form. Every season brings a new perspective. Spring awakens rivers with fresh energy, summer reveals endless green landscapes, autumn paints the valleys in brilliant colors, and winter transforms the mountains into a frozen wonderland. These mountains, rivers, and parks represent the untamed spirit of Sweden, a land where nature continues to thrive on a grand scale. In the far north of Sweden lies a magical region known as Lapland, a land of snow-covered forests, frozen rivers, and endless Arctic landscapes. Here, nature reveals one of its most spectacular displays, the Northern Lights. During the long winter months, darkness settles over the Arctic wilderness. But when night falls, the sky often comes alive with ribbons of green, purple, and blue light dancing across the heavens. Known as the aurora borealis, this breathtaking phenomenon has inspired stories, legends, and wonder for generations. Lapland is also home to vast snowy forests and open tundra where reindeer roam freely across the landscape. Frozen lakes sparkle beneath the moonlight, while silence covers the land like a blanket. It is a place where nature feels powerful, mysterious, and untouched. Yet Lapland is beautiful in every season. During summer, the midnight sun shines for long hours, bathing the landscape in golden light and creating days that seem to never end. Whether illuminated by the northern lights or the endless glow of the Arctic summer, Sweden's northern wilderness offers an unforgettable experience. It is a place where the beauty of nature reaches its most extraordinary form. While Sweden is famous for its forests, lakes, and Arctic wilderness, its cities offer another side of the country's beauty. Blending historic architecture, modern design, and a deep connection to nature, Sweden's urban centers are among the most livable and visually stunning in Europe. Our journey begins in Stockholm, the capital city built across a network of islands connected by elegant bridges. Often called the Venice of the North, Stockholm combines centuries-old buildings with innovative architecture, creating a unique and vibrant atmosphere. Further west lies Gothenburg, a coastal city known for its charming canals, green parks, and maritime heritage. Here, modern life blends seamlessly with the sea, creating a relaxed and welcoming environment.
In the south, Malmö showcases Sweden's modern spirit. Its contemporary skyline, waterfront districts, and sustainable urban design make it one of Scandinavia's most forward-thinking cities. What makes Sweden's cities truly special is their balance. Nature is never far away. Parks, waterfronts, and green spaces are woven into daily life, creating places where people can enjoy both urban energy and natural tranquility.
Sweden's coastline stretches along the Baltic Sea, revealing a world of thousands of islands, rocky shores, and peaceful waters. This unique coastal landscape is known as the Swedish archipelago, one of the most beautiful and complex island systems in the world. As we fly above the coastline, countless islands appear scattered across the sea like pieces of a natural mosaic. Some are small and rocky, while others are covered in green forests and dotted with traditional wooden houses painted in red and white. Boats move slowly between the islands, connecting communities that have lived in harmony with the sea for centuries. The Baltic waters shift constantly with the light. At sunrise, the sea glows in soft golden tones, while during sunset, it turns deep orange and purple. The rhythm of the tides shapes life along the coast, where fishing villages, harbors, and summer homes blend into the natural environment. Wildlife thrives here as well. Seabirds glide over the waves, seals rest on rocky shores, and fish move through cold, clear waters beneath the surface. Sweden's coastline is more than just a border. It is a living, breathing landscape where land and sea meet in perfect balance and timeless beauty. As our journey through Sweden comes to an end, we are left with a deep sense of peace and admiration for this extraordinary land. From vast northern wildernesses to calm lakes, endless forests, Arctic landscapes, vibrant cities, and beautiful coastlines, Sweden reveals itself as a country shaped by nature and balanced by modern life. We have traveled through silent forests where sunlight filters through ancient trees, crossed endless waters reflecting the sky, and witnessed wildlife thriving in harmony with the land. We have explored frozen Arctic regions where the northern lights dance across the night sky, and walked through cities where nature and innovation exist side by side. Sweden is more than a destination. It is an example of how humanity and nature can coexist in harmony when respect and care guide the way. Every forest, river, and island tells a story of balance, protection, and timeless beauty. As the sun sets over the horizon, casting golden light across forests and waters, we are reminded that this beauty is fragile yet enduring. Sweden invites us not only to explore its landscapes, but to appreciate and protect the natural world we all share. This is Sweden, a land of silence, light, and endless natural wonder.